California has long been a land of dreams, where innovation meets ambition and nature coexists with progress. But what will this iconic state look like in 100 years? As climate change reshapes its geography, technology transforms its economy, and society evolves to meet new challenges, California in 2124 promises to be both familiar and unrecognizable. Welcome to California 2124, where we explore the future of the Golden State. By 2124, climate change will have profoundly altered California's landscape. Rising sea levels have claimed parts of San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego, forcing millions to relocate inland. Yet instead of retreating, Californians adapted. Floating cities now dot the coastlines, powered by renewable energy and designed to withstand extreme weather. The once arid deserts of Southern California are now thriving agricultural hubs thanks to breakthroughs in water conservation and soil engineering. Massive solar farms not only power the state, but also generate excess electricity exported globally. Meanwhile, reforestation efforts have revived Sierra Nevada forests, creating carbon sinks that combat global warming. Wildfires, though less frequent, remain a threat. Advanced AI predicts fire outbreaks, deploying automated firefighting drones within minutes. Citizens live in harmony with nature, but cautiously, armed with tools to mitigate disaster. California's cities in 2124 are marvels of sustainable design. Vertical farming towers supply fresh produce directly to urban centers, reducing food transportation emissions. Maglev trains zip between districts at speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour, eliminating traffic congestion entirely. Economic activity thrives on circular economies, where waste is minimized and resources are endlessly recycled. Local manufacturing hubs create everything from clothing to electronics using eco-friendly materials. Even housing has evolved. Modular homes built with self-healing concrete adapt to changing family sizes, ensuring affordability without sacrificing comfort. Social life flourishes in shared spaces. Parks double as cultural venues, hosting events ranging from holographic concerts to interactive history exhibits. Education is personalized yet communal, blending online learning with hands-on experiences tailored to individual needs. Silicon Valley remains the epicenter of technological advancement, though its focus has shifted. By 2124, quantum computing drives breakthroughs in medicine, clean energy, and space exploration. Fusion reactors provide limitless carbon-free power, rendering fossil fuels obsolete. Biotechnology revolutionizes industries. Lab-grown meat feeds billions sustainably, while CRISPR gene editing eliminates hereditary diseases. Autonomous robots perform dangerous jobs, freeing humans to pursue creative endeavors. Everyday life integrates seamlessly with technology. Delivery drones crisscross skies, while brain-computer interfaces enable instantaneous communication. Privacy concerns persist, but robust regulations ensure ethical use of these innovations. Social equity defines California's future, or so it strives to achieve. Universal basic income guarantees financial stability for all, funded by taxes on corporations profiting from automation and AI. Affordable housing initiatives transform former industrial zones into vibrant neighborhoods. Governance becomes more participatory. Blockchain ensures transparency in elections while AI analyzes public sentiment to guide policymaking. Indigenous voices play a central role in environmental decision-making, honoring ancestral knowledge of the land. Diversity remains California's strength. Multiculturalism shapes art, cuisine, and education, fostering mutual understanding. However, tensions over immigration and resource allocation linger, requiring constant dialogue and compromise. Despite its successes, California faces persistent challenges. Wealth inequality persists, exacerbated by private ownership of emerging industries like asteroid mining and space tourism. Activists demand equitable access to these resources, arguing that space belongs to humanity as a whole. Agriculture remains vulnerable to climate shocks. While innovations reduce dependency on rainfall, prolonged droughts still strain rural communities. Policymakers must balance urban growth with rural resilience, ensuring no region is left behind. Natural disasters continue to test California's resolve. Earthquakes, floods, and heat waves require ongoing investment in resilient infrastructure. Yet, each challenge presents an opportunity to innovate, unite, and rebuild stronger than before. California in 2124 embodies the spirit of reinvention. It is a place where humanity confronts its greatest challenges head-on, forging solutions that honor both progress and preservation. From its resilient cities to its restored ecosystems, the Golden State continues to shine as a beacon of hope. The story of California is far from over. Its future depends on choices made today, choices rooted in courage, creativity, and compassion. For those who call it home, California will always be more than a state. It's a promise of possibility.